回归基本，问对的问题，说好的故事。其实设计它没有标准答案，在过程中我们需要不断的去寻找一个问题的可能性，再借由设计去发挥，去创造影响力，去改变大家的看法。我觉得灵感来自于生活，就这片土地吧。台湾给了我非常多的养分，它是自然的一个 hybrid 的一个混合体，不同的文化、不同的语言、不同的故事都在这一块小岛上面发生。Jail 其实也就是一个 hybrid， 我们带着这些弹性，带着这些活力，不断的换位思考，去思考怎么做得更好，提出更多的好的提问，怎么把这些多元呈现出来，怎么把这些弹性表现出来，把真正好的故事说出来。在这次与 ProArt 的合作当中，我们如何从全世界的创作者的角度去思考、去提问、去找出 ProArt 的定位跟它的核心。
ProArt is a brand tailor-made for creative professionals. What stood out to us right away was actually its name. Pro to us can be defined as the bedrock of creativity, the strong professional-graded foundation that the creators can rely on. Art is just all about the creators. People that can fill out that canvas, their thought process, their creativity, all the possibilities that they can create when they're provided with this computing power.
GL design started in Taiwan and is based in Taiwan, but our outlook is international. And our quality of work speak to those who are looking for something more, something above the ordinary. Creativity is not limited to place, culture, or language. We think that ProArt is aimed at high-caliber artists. For this global collaboration with ProArt, the 4 artists that we approach are experts in their field. They have their own distinctive style and are not afraid to push the envelope. ProArt has a complete range of products. They allow the artists to have the freedom to create, to go beyond pro.
To us, ProArt is for pro artists and by pro artists. We found that the studio book makes our workflow really seamless and smooth. Even the multitasking to work simultaneously between files and files, switching from graphic layouts to 3D, motion, editing. Just having that capability is really great. For the ProArt displays, what really stood out were the pre-calibrated color settings. We're able to see all the details and the shadows, and then also the true black. So we're collaborating with a lot of different studios and artists this time. With all this different artists' work, coupling with our pro structure, it really create that hybrid look and feel that we want for this project.
台湾多元混合的一个文化综合体，这些 DNA 其实都存在在我们设计的过程中，善用我们的弹性，去理解各个不同地方的文化跟故事，不断的看，不断的听，不断的问，到底有哪些故事藏在里面？从这座岛屿出发，然后面向国际，把大家不同的可能性放在一起，去把故事说好，去把我们的声音找出来。自由的创作，恣意的创作。